All right, so very quickly, we are going to cycle through a data set utilizing a pretty nifty snippet of code I got actually from the spreadsheet guru. So this is not my code. I'm not saying it's mine. It's a snippet I've been using for 4 years, and it's absolutely incredible, but use it with a little bit of hazard just because you don't want to miss out any data. So test it first. So the syntax for this one's pretty simple. sht.Cells, open bracket, sht.Rows.Count, and then utilizing the column that you want to pick, either A, B, C, D, etc. .end xlUp.row. Again, I did not come up with this one. Spreadsheet guru, thank you so much, incredible. We're going to use a for limit to limit, cycle through the data, and then from there we're just going to use a debug print just to show it into the immediate window. And that is it. So under a minute, write that code. Wild. Again, don't forget to fix it up because this is ugly. But now, libation break. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to cycle through our data set utilizing the last row. Again, this is a cleaned up version. It looks a little bit better. And we're going to see in the immediate window right there, boom, it seems to be working and pulling our data and running through the code. So no issues there. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If not, no big deal. Talk to you later.